For more than 50 years, no human being has walked on the moon. Now, that silence is about to end. NASA's Artemis mission is designed to take us back, further than we've gone in generations. But returning to the moon is never going to be easy, because space does not forgive mistakes. Every launch, every maneuver, every system on board must work almost perfectly. One failure could delay everything. One mistake could change the future of exploration. And the most dangerous part doesn't begin on the moon. It begins the moment the countdown reaches zero. Artemis may look like the future, a powerful rocket, advanced systems, decades of engineering. But going to the moon is still one of the hardest things humans can do. Because nothing about this mission is simple. The distance is extreme, the speed is violent, the environment is unforgiving. And once you leave Earth, there is almost no room for mistakes. A small problem on the ground can be repaired. A small problem in deep space can become a crisis. That is what makes Artemis so dangerous. Not because it is old, but because space has never become safe. Before Artemis can reach space, it must survive the launch. In just a few seconds, the rocket releases more power than most machines ever will. Thousands of parts must perform at the same time. Engines ignite, fuel burns, pressure rises. The vehicle shakes with controlled violence. And there is no pause button. If one system fails, the mission can end instantly. If one separation goes wrong, everything changes. This is why launch day is never routine. It is precision under extreme force, a perfect sequence inside a controlled explosion. And for everyone watching, the real journey begins with the most dangerous climb of all. Once Artemis leaves Earth, everything changes. There are no nearby crews, no fast rescue, no second launch coming tomorrow, only the spacecraft, its systems, and the people inside. Every drop of water, every breath of air, every signal sent home must keep working. Because in deep space, distance creates danger. A delayed message, a failing sensor, a damaged component. Small problems can grow very quickly. And outside the capsule, radiation moves silently. Temperatures swing to extremes. Darkness feels endless. At that point, Earth is no longer a place you can reach. It becomes a distant light, a voice far away. And survival depends on everything still working. Reaching the moon does not mean the mission is safe. It only means you made it to the next challenge. Because space missions are not won by arrival. They are won by everything that comes after. Navigation must remain exact. Systems must keep working. Power must stay stable. One wrong reading, one failed command, one critical delay, and the mission can begin to unravel. The moon offers no protection, no repair station, no easy way out. Only distance, only silence, only pressure. This is the truth about exploration. Getting there is only half the mission, sometimes not even half. After the moon, one final challenge remains: coming home. And it may be the hardest part of all. To return to Earth, Artemis must strike the atmosphere at extreme speed. Too steep, the heat can become deadly. Too shallow, and the spacecraft can skip away back into space. There is only a narrow path to survive. As the capsule falls, temperatures rise to thousands of degrees. Fire surrounds it. Shock waves build. Communication can disappear. And for a few moments, everything depends on engineering, timing, and trust. You survived launch. You survived space. You reached the moon. But Earth itself can still be the final test. If Artemis fails, the impact will reach far beyond one spacecraft. Because this mission is more than a launch, more than a journey. It is a symbol of what comes next. Years of planning, billions invested, global attention, all placed on a single program. A major failure could delay future missions, slow new technology, reduce confidence, and make leaders question the cost of going further. The moon could feel far away again, and Mars even farther. But history shows something important. Setbacks do not end exploration. They test it. Because every great step forward has passed through failure before becoming success. So why go at all? Why accept the danger, the cost, the uncertainty? Because staying still has never moved humanity forward. Every horizon we crossed once looked impossible. Every great journey once looked too risky. The ocean, the sky, space itself. Artemis is not only about the moon. It is about proving that we still dare to go farther. That we still build, still explore, still believe the next chapter is worth reaching. Risk has always been the price of progress. The future has never belonged to those who stayed behind.